Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. I have another Boxy charm unboxing and I'm excited to see if this one is 40 friendly. So let's get right into it. Here you go. Hello charmers. And I just took the little tape off. I don't know what's in here. Okay, so right away I see something that says Cab Cosmetics. It looks like an eyeshadow palette. It was actually right on top. So let's see. Yes, the eyeshadow palette. So let's see. Day and night. Is it 40 friendly? I don't know. I'm just joking. Like, it could be for any age, right? But when I say 40 friendly, I'm more of the sense of, is it work appropriate? Will it work for my skin? Oh yeah, oh, it's very nice. I've never heard of this company before. So here you go. It's a lot of browns. It kind of looks more like a fall theme going on over here, and it has a few lighter colors here. I'm really interested in this one and this one. It's Halo and Twinkle Twinkle. Oh, it feels nice and soft. So Halo is like a matte purple, light purple, and Twinkle Twinkle is pretty shimmer. They actually come off more on a pinkish. Let's see. Definitely can't see that. Let's see. They're very soft. Maybe they're buildable. Yeah, looks like it. Right down my wrist. So this is Halo and Twinkle Twinkle. You can't see that. Barely see that, barely. But it might be buildable. There's a terracotta and a burnt orange. Dawn, lunar, moon dust, midnight, cocoa, burgundy, sunset naked, Georgia peach, golden hour, Stella. I'm interested in this Stella. It looks like kind of a copper, a shimmer copper. Let's see. There you go. It's very pretty, very pretty. Definitely looks more of a fall vibes. Definitely work appropriate. Let's see what else we have in here. What is this bottle? It says Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist. Oh, very nice. I'm definitely going to try this. Don't mind my hair. It's a little funny today. Definitely going to try this because I use the Dyson Corral flat iron, and this would definitely help me. It says for use on dry hair, shake well, lift sections of dry hair and spray thoroughly before using hot tool. That's good to know actually, because you know I tend to flat iron my hair sometimes when it is a little damp. So I'll make sure if I use this only on dry hair. Oh, it's by Dry Bar. Okay, I've never used any of their products. Very interesting to see. It says it's a lightweight treat. It says treat before you heat. Lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees. Awesome. Definitely going to try this. I wonder if it has, I can't really, oh, it has a pleasant scent. Not too bad. We'll have to try that. Then I got, what is this? It's by Hello Fab. Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Safe for sensitive skin. Fab First Aid Beauty. What is it? Let's see. Allergy tested, no artificial fragrance, hypoallergenic. Sans without perfume, coconut skin smoothie priming moisturizer. Moisturizer creates a smooth canvas that is perfectly prepped for makeup. Okay, so it's a primer. Makeup and no makeup days. The superfood powered priming moisturizer has an electrolyte enriched coconut water base and contains minerals, Kiona protein, and hydrators that act like a replenishing drink for the skin. It has natural coconut scent and contains subtle micro pearls that leave the complexion looking naturally dewy. Apply evenly over clean face, follow with makeup, or wear alone for natural skin. Okay, so it's a primer for use with makeup or without makeup. And let's see. I don't smell coconut. Let's see. I'm guessing it has. Okay, so it's definitely protected, so I'm not gonna open that right now. Interesting. What else do we have? Something from Tint Haze Smoky Eye Pencil in Forest. Okay, it's a green eye pencil. Let's see. I've never heard of this company either. So the primer, definitely 40 approved for sure. Protect our skin. Oh, this is hard to come out of here. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. Nice packaging. Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. Ooh, that's green. Is it a, I don't think it's a winder, but that's like a plastic. Are you supposed to, how do you use this? Are you supposed to sharpen it? I guess, let's see. Oh, wow, that's very green. Pretty sure you could blend it out into like an eyeshadowish. Oh, I like that. It comes off very creamy. It's like a creamy crayon. I like that. And it's a nice green, forest green color. Has a crayony smell, maybe. I'll have to try that. This, I don't know so much for work, but I may be able to get away with it. Oh, wow, okay. So this is Tarte Aglow. You know what? I just saw this in a video. Who did I just see this? I was watching a YouTube video of somebody using this. Was it Kathleen Lights? Yes, because it was Kathleen Lights, and she was saying that she didn't know what the heck it was. Okay, let's see. It's Shape Tape Glow Wand, and she didn't know if it was for under the eye primer, over the eye primer, in conjunction of the eye primer. I'm pretty sure you all know Kathleen Lights. She is very funny. Okay, here we go. Yes, so they sent me, I don't even know what shade this is. I guess the shade is Aglow. And okay, yeah. So, fun fact, I've never used Shape Tape before. And there's the applicator. Comes off very, it may be, actually, it might just work for my face. Now, I actually have a foundation on. I have the Chanel Healthy Glow, so I won't put it on, but let's see. Yeah, that definitely might work. And it does have on the other end a sponge. So I definitely am excited about that. And actually, that's all the items. Awesome, really good box. I think it's definitely things I will try. So I got the primer, the eyeliner, Shape Tape, and Dry Bar Heat Protectant, and the eyeshadow palette. Let me know if you have ever heard of this company before, and if you want me to swatch them for you. Day and Night eyeshadow palette by Cab Cosmetics. Thank you so much again, guys, for watching my videos. Have a great one, and as always, be safe, you guys. Bye.